It's a great day at Western GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Encore GX. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, the power liftgate where we're able to set that opening to maximum 3/4 or turn it right off, door storage and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have some lighting controls, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth leather combination interior. Next, I'm going to climb in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and the right side has our audio controls and voice commands. Next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through that dash by using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Up above we have some additional lighting controls with OnStar. This is Buick's infotainment center equipped with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it also doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance. To the left here is our engine push start button. Simply apply pressure to the brake and push the button down and it'll start the vehicle. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, some USB ports and power plug-ins, no slip matting, and here we have the auto stop start button, all-wheel drive, lane departure alert, and traction control. The Sport Touring package includes front and rear sport bumpers, a custom grille with red accents, LED headlamps, fog lights, 18-inch machined aluminum wheels, a 1.3-liter turbo engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors, the rear window wiper, and a power lift gate. I'm going to pop it open using our key fob here, pushing that button twice. In the trunk we have plenty of cargo storage space, cargo hooks, cargo lighting, and a storage compartment with a spare tire down below. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger crossover. The passenger door has power windows, door storage, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. The back of the center console has the USB plug-ins, all-weather floor mats on the floor. The middle seat folds down into double cup holders or an armrest, and we're able to fold the rear seats down by pulling the lever on the top of the seat. So come take a look at the 2022 Buick Encore GX Select, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.